Let's check on the weather forecast.
Brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or visit weather.com.
You'll love it when you like us on Facebook. Now you're local on the 8s.
Hey Joey, what's
Currently,
on the Weather
the temperature
Channel?
is 60
Local on the
degrees
8
under
stat.
sunny skies. Here's our local Doppler radar.
Okay, we are right here. City of Baltimore.
Today, abundant sunshine, high 62, winds south-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, partly cloudy skies early will give way to cloudy skies late, low 51, winds east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. On Thursday, overcast, slight chance of a rain shower, high 59, winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Thursday night, skies clearing overnight. Slight chance of a shower through the evening. Low 37. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. The week ahead.
We want to pass along a programming note of what is about to happen. FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, along with the FCC, will conduct the first nationwide test of the emergency alert system. Depending on your satellite provider, most of you will see this. The test will last for 30 seconds. Day Planner will immediately follow. If you don't see programming from the Weather Channel after the test, change the channel back to the Weather Channel. Once again, get ready for the test.
And it's time now to check out the big picture, the overall scenario. We're noticing this jet stream. Notice how the upper air winds the fastest in the upper levels of the atmosphere, indicated by the jet stream, carving out a deep trough of low pressure, as you can see it digging all the way down across Texas. At the surface, we have this frontal boundary pushing through. Showers all along this front. High pressure keeping it quiet for the immediate eastern seaboard right now.
The FEMA FCC nationwide test of the emergency alert system is now over. What was the purpose behind it? Well, FEMA Administrator Craig Fugate explained on our air this morning.
Let's talk about, some of the things we've seen right now more recently. It's a legacy of the Cold War, but in technological, cyber attacks, large-scale natural disasters where telecommunications are impacted, or even some of the threats we see from solar storms, space weather events that could result in widespread infrastructure failures. The president would have the ability to use the broadcast system, which would go around a lot of those systems and broadcast to people what's going on and what they need
I got to turn the volume up.
For those of you who did not see the 30-second test,
Whoop.
This is a test of the emergency alerts.
This is a corporate monthly test of emergency alert system. This system can warn you during emergency. If there is a real emergency, the message will give you instruction. This is only a test. We now return to your regular programming.
Man, we hate emergency alert system.
Me too.
Of Alabama right now.
Dinners is ready.